Imagine this. You're ready to start the day. You turn the key, but your engine won't start. Maybe it's your mini tractor on the field, your sailboat just before a weekend trip, or that generator keeping the site running at night. At TracPartz, we know how frustrating downtime is. That's why we do one thing, and we do it fast. Get your diesel engine back up and running. With over 40,000 parts in stock, we deliver filters, fuel pumps, radiators, complete engines, all OEM quality or even better. We help farmers, we help sailors, we help builders. From agriculture to marine to industry, TracPartz is your partner behind the power. Need help? Our specialists know your engine like the back of their hand. We're not just a web shop, we're your technical support too. Since 2009, we've shipped diesel parts across Europe and beyond. So whether you're fixing a leak, doing a full rebuild, or just keeping your machine running smoothly, don't wait. Go to TracPartz.com, find your part, and fire up your engine again fast. TracPartz, parts to get you back on track.